if ABC are unit vector such that A dot B equal to A dot C equal to 0 and angle between B and C is pi by 6, then A asking A bar. So here question what is given, ABC are unit vectors, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C equal to 1, that is one data. Now A dot B equal to 0. So that means A is perpendicular to B bar. Now A dot C also 0. So what you can say, A is perpendicular to C. So A is perpendicular to B, comma, A is perpendicular to C means A bar is a vector which is parallel to B cross C. So that means A bar is parallel to B. That is one data which you know. Using this data, you can solve the question. And A bar is parallel to B cross means A bar equal to lambda times B cross C. So our job is to find lambda getting in terms of B cross C. Look at the options, all options are in terms of B cross C. Sorry. So our job is to find lambda. How to get lambda? Apply magnitude to both the sides because magnitude of A is what? 1. Then you get the answer for this case. That's the concept behind the question. So you can solve the next page. So what I told, here A is perpendicular to B because A dot B 0. A is perpendicular to C. So that you can say that A is parallel to B cross C. A is parallel to B cross C means A bar equal to lambda times B cross C. Let us take equation 1. Next, apply magnitude on both sides. Apply magnitude. So magnitude of B cross C. So that is magnitude of A equal to magnitude of lambda into magnitude of B cross C. So now the next step will be magnitude of A equal to magnitude of lambda, magnitude of B cross B, magnitude of C, magnitude of B, magnitude of C sin theta. So ABC are unit vector. So that magnitude is 1. 1 equal to magnitude of lambda into 1 into 1 into sine angle between B and C. Sine angle B and C is what given? Pi by 6. So 1 equal to magnitude of lambda into sine pi by 6, 1 by 2. So therefore 1 equal to magnitude of lambda by 2. Magnitude of lambda equal to plus or minus 2. So finally they are asking A bar vector. A bar vector equal to lambda times B cross C. So what is lambda value? Plus or minus 2 into B cross C. So now the answer will be A bar equal to plus or minus 2 into B cross C. So once again, A dot B 0, A is perpendicular to B. A dot C 0, A is perpendicular to C. A is perpendicular to B and A is perpendicular to C means A is parallel to B cross C. So two vectors are parallel means one vector is scalar multiple of other vector. That is A bar equal to lambda times B cross C. Apply magnitude both the sides and take the magnitude is separately magnitude of lambda, magnitude of B cross C. So magnitude of B cross C is magnitude of B, magnitude of C, sine angle between B and C. Sine angle B and C what given? Pi by 6. So that simplify to get the value of lambda is plus or minus 2 only. Let us check the answer what is given. D is the right answer. We got it.